morning again. So please to sir, introduce na to itong mga players, no?
Okay, good morning everyone. So let us start with our South District. The representative from Kabangkalan National High School, together with the coach, Mr. Irel M. Coligado. Let us give them a round of applause. Kindly move forward, sir. Participants. Again, from the Kabangkalan National High School. Second would be the representative from the West 1 District. Represented by the Magikay National High School, together with their coach, Ms. Leia L. Regio. Let's give them a round of applause. Next would be the representative from the Central District, represented by Mandawi City Comprehensive National High School, together with their coach, Mr. Ranolfo Abadjumi. Let us give them a round of applause. Next will be the representatives from the North District, represented by Labugun National High School, represented by, together with their coach, Mr. Christian B. Alman.
Laka nice na sila yung mga uniforms.
And lastly, our defending champion from the West 2 District, represented by the Casili National High School, together with their coach, Mr. John A. Lyons. Okay, Sir Mac, this is our representatives from the 5 districts, Sir Mac. So,